Hi guys, this is a review for the AKRAPOVIC titanium carbon fibre exhaust for the RSV4 RF. So, received it today. So, let's see what's inside. Alrighty then. That's the exhaust bracket, I think. Okay. Bloody hell. Right, okay. These are all the fixings and whatnot, the screws, springs, bolts, nuts. And I think that's the sealant. Okay. Right. This is the link pipe. Okay, put that bad boy there. Where did I put the blade? Hold on. There it is. That's the bad boy. AKRAPOVIC carbon fibre. Feels a bit weighty. Feels a bit weighty.
Yeah,
because it might
the extra stuff on.
Yeah. My one, that came off the Kawasaki, was a little bit lighter than this, wasn't it? Maybe, I don't know, because it's a 1000cc bike, but looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. This has got a sound bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. We was in two minds. Well, my mate, straight liner, was, and he wanted to purchase an exhaust system for his brand new purchase, which we haven't picked up yet. And guys, watch this space. We will be making a video of the RSV4 on the day that we're going to collect it from Peterborough, Aprilia. So, straight line and myself were, I wanted him to go for the Austin Racing GP1 exhaust. He wanted to go for the AKRAPOVIC. Personally, I would have gone for the Austin Racing.
Yeah.
So
the reason you didn't mention the reason of why I went for the AKRAPOVIC.
Well, you know, there's many factors to take into which we had to take into consideration. Is the warranty.
Yes.
Warranty was the major issue here. Aprilia have stated very clearly that if you use the Austin Racing exhaust on the Aprilia RSV4 or any of the Aprilia bikes, it will void the warranty. So,
this is the
you can, well, due to Austin Racing apparently causing issues to the valves and the back pressure and all that bullshit that comes along with it, which I think is absolute bollocks. I don't think that's the case. But see how this bad boy sounds when we receive the bike and all this is fitted. So do watch this space, guys. I will be making a video of the fitting and the soundtrack on this baby.
Yeah.
So watch out. And so what do you think, guys? Would you recommend do you think he should have gone for the AKRAPOVIC or the Austin Racing? Personally, I would have gone for the Austin Racing, like I said, so I think it looks so sexy. However, this bad boy, don't fuck around, you know. Because this bad boy has got a sound of bollocks. Absolute bullocks. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Au revoir.